The United States spends more on healthcare than any other high-income country, but still has the lowest life expectancy at birth and the highest rate of people with multiple chronic diseases, CNN reported. A report from the Commonwealth Fund, an independent research group, said that compared with peer nations, the United States has the highest rate of death from avoidable or treatable causes and the highest maternal and infant death rates. Americans are living shorter, less healthy lives because our health system is not working as well as it could be, said the report's lead author Manira Ganya. To catch up with other high-income countries, the administration and Congress would have to expand access to health care, act aggressively to control costs, and invest in health equity and social services we know can lead to a healthier population. People in this country see doctors less often than those in most other countries, and the United States is the only nation among those studied that doesn't have universal health coverage. In 2021 alone, 8.6% of the US population was uninsured.